Okay, Ducati Bronco 98 update. Futzed with all this wiring, whatever. This is what I'm working with for fittings and hardware. This is how I got the bike, is a bag of crap. And so putting everything back together in a way that makes sense just on work, from what I've done with other bikes, whatever, who cares what I got to say. Check this out. I had to resolder things and then shave it down so it had clearance underneath the flywheel. Reconnect all the windings. Got a lighting coil. There's my points, new points. I had to jigger up a thing, and should be good. And I thought, well, hell, there's nothing left to do. I wonder if it works. So what I've done is taken a positive lead that comes out of the top coil, which is my ignition coil, which goes feeds into the condenser, which from the condenser goes to the points via the yellow wire, and then out to the ignition from the green wire. Let me double check that math, but point is I got current coming out of that green. I should have current coming out of that green. So what I did was wired up my green to my little LED and then grounded it on the engine case. And this is awesome to do with one hand free, so I'm just clearing that guy. Check it out. So if I do this and it spins this way, look at that. Good, strong spark. That is damn fantastic. So check back. Ciao.